Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor in Department of CSE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In last class, we have seen formatting and slicing and everything we have seen. In this class, we are going to see how to debug the given code. Right? I'm going to show you one code and try to find the mistakes. What is the mistake is there in the given code? And also try to rectify how to rectify the given error. Right? So let us see. See, this is the code. Try to identify what is the mistake in the given code. Can anyone? Just pause the video 2 minutes and try to analyze what mistake and how to rectify the code. You just pause the 2 minutes and try to analyze the code and try to rectify try to find out the error first, and after that try to rectify. Right? Here I am going to show you. Yes. Please note this. What we are going to read here. Here we are going to read line by line. Line by line. If you will get a hash, then you need to skip the data. Means, for example, if you enter hi is the input. What happened? Line of 0 is equal to a hash. Condition false, right? So it comes to here. Line is equal to done. Condition false, right? It comes to here. It prints hi as it is. For example, if you enter hash include is a input. See, when you enter hash include, simply it comes to here. Line of 0 is hash, right? It simply use continue. You know, continue means it skips the remaining statements. The controller moves to the again while true. Again, it is the next string. It asks you to read the string. Suppose if you enter string is good, then simply comes to here and line of done is not required, so it prints good. For example, if you enter done, simply it close the, it doesn't print even done, so from here it needs to break and close the program. But what is the error in this program? The error is when you enter a empty string. Means, for example, if you ask the string, you simply press enter. Enter is also means is a null string, simply called. When it is a null string, what happened? What you did here? Line of 0. Line of 0 means it doesn't have any string. It doesn't have string means the length of the string is. What is the length of the string? 0. But you are going to access the 0 means there is no string is exist. There is no character is exist. Simply it's shown an error. What is an error? Array out of bound exception. Right? Now, how to overcome this kind of situation? How we are going to overcome this kind of situation? If you observe the string functions, we have some functions are there. Starts with as well as length function, right? So by using two ways, we are going to handle the two situations. I'll tell you the reason. First one is the if line starts with hash. So this will work. If the string contain null string also, it doesn't affect anything. Line starts with. Please note this. By using starts with function, you are going to solve that kind of situation. Right? So what is the other method? What is the other way to handle that kind of situation? If you want to handle that kind of situation, the other method is by using length function. You just find the length function. If the length of the string is greater than 0, then only you are going to process the first character. Right? First, you need to check length of the string. If the length of the string is greater than 0, then only you are going to process the first character. If the length of 0 is condition false, if this condition is false, the interpreter doesn't goes to here this side. The reason is here you are going to check the AND operator. We already discussed in AND operator. AND means if both strings are true, if both statements are true, then only condition true, right? If both statements are true. If the first statement is false, if the first statement is false means the interpreter is no need to check the second part of the string, second part of the statement. That means second part of the AND operator means here the false is there, it simply skips from here only, right? So either using the first part, first statement or second statement, we are going to solve our situation, right? That is why I'm just guiding you. Please go and practice each and every functions are available, methods are available in the Python string class, right? So we have discussed 5 parts of the string. So in each part of the string, in the 5 parts, you may learn so many things, but if you practice more, then only there is a useful and your coding environment. See, and also we are going to solve an exercise also in this class, right? Here, what is the exercise? See, take the following Python code and that stores a string, right? String stores, this is the data. What is your task and what we need to do here? See, use find. See, first we need to use a find method and string slicing. Find and string slicing. So 2 options they have given. By using these 2 options, we need to extract the partition of the string after the colon. Means based on the colon, you need to extract the float value and then use a float function. Convert the extracted string into a float point number. Means your task is to print your data 0.8475 is in the form of float. That is your task. So try to pause the video. Okay, you just try from your side. If you are unable to solve, then you watch the remaining video. I'll tell you how to extract the data. So this is the value from the given string, right? Let us see. So this is the string they have given, right? From this you need to extract the 0.8475. First, if you observe clearly, as per the question, after the colon you need to extract the data. Means first I want to find the where is the colon is there, where the colon is there. See, for that reason I'm going to use find function. See, position is equal to find of string dot find, right? So str1 string dot 1 dot find of, and what is the character you're going to find? Colon, right? Colon. Yeah. From this statement, it returns where the colon is appeared, right? After that, just try to print what is the position of the colon. Yeah, it returned an error, right? Yes. What is the mistake I have done here? Yeah. So unnecessarily I use spaces, right? So don't use any spaces. And also still it's showing an error n while using illiteral. Yeah. So instead of that, yes, s equal to I'm going to take one string. Okay, hello world colon 0.876, right? Yes. See, string 1 is not declared because I changed the string, right? So s is a string. Let us see what is the output here. 13th is a position. Colon position is 13, right? After that, what they have given? They use the slicing. Means slicing is also option is there for us, right? So S of P to last. Here it got the entire string, right? S1 equal to. Then let us print. What is the S1 value? Print of S1. Right? But we don't want the colon, right? We don't want colon. P plus 1, right? Forgot. Sorry. Yeah. P plus 1. But what they want, what they're going to ask? You need to print in the float value only, right? Float value. You need to convert your data into the float. Yes. See. Now data in the form of float. For example, I want to print the last 2 digits. So last up to 2 precisions. Up to 2 precisions. Right? 0.2. 0.2 and percentage S1. What is an error? What is an error? Incomplete format. Incomplete format. What is an error? Incomplete format. So what type of data you are going to print? Forgot that one, right? F. Now see 88. Sir, you may have a doubt. Sir, we have data 0.8767, but when you printed, it's shown as 0.88. Means please note that if the value is more than 5 in the left side, so right side, simply it goes to round to the earlier value to the seal. Means, for example, if the same here it has a 2, then we'll see the output 0.87. If the value is more 5 and more, then simply it goes to the one extra value and it goes to the seal value. Otherwise, it goes to the floor value. Please remember this point. Right? Is this clear? This is the exercise you need to extract the data. And strings part is over with this class. So I'm requesting you, please go and practice the build IT questions. The build IT framed so many questions are available in the string forms. Okay, try to apply all these functions and methods. You just explore some more methods using your directory method. So you know already directory is a method, right? So directory of string str, then it's shown these many methods are available. Try to explore all these methods. Right? All these methods are used for the various situations. Try to use all these methods and improve your knowledge and try to practice more. Right? In the next class, we're going to see the new topic, the functions. Before going to the next class, first you need to complete all these. We completed the operators and control structures as well as the strings also. We just go through the build IT and complete these 3 modules. Okay, after you'll just continue the remaining function section. Okay, thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.